Uh, Hello and good day to all of you, especially to Ma'am Jessely Almerañas. I am Rick Lorin Moreno from Group Hopberry. In this final part of our audit presentation, we will take a quick look at the other features of the system before concluding our audit series. So next, the other features of the system and our audit findings. So first, we have the account lockout policy, which this is feature automatically locks a user accounts for 5 minutes after 5 consecutive failed login attempts. It serves as an effective defense against a brute force attacks. So during the audit, we tested this and confirmed that it activated exactly on the fifth failed attempt and provides an extra layer of account security. As we can see in our evidence, our account is temporarily locked, which made from too many failed login attempts. Next is the bot protection mechanism. The system integrates Cloudflare turnstile or a reCAPTCHA to distinguish between human and unautomated users, which effectively blocking bot-driven threats. During the audit, we validated this using Selenium and Google DevTools, and it successfully prevented automated login attempts. However, I recommend replacing the plain text error message with a more user-friendly notification such as a styled alert box or a modal for clearer and more professional feedback. Next is the implementation of System Health Dashboard. So, the System Health Dashboard offers a real-time view of the server and the system status. During our audit, it accurately displayed server metrics and updates, which enables administrators to quickly detect and address potential issues, which is here in our evidence, the system health overview, which is composed of CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, the system uptime. The next is the implementation of payment tracking feature. In the payment tracking feature, it enables users to review their payment history, while administrators can oversee and manage all transactions in a one central dashboard. During our audit, this feature showed precise payment records and allowed smooth navigation through transaction details. In our evidence, here are the payment transactions on the user side, which has the total fees, total due, and total paid of the student. Next is the implementation of enrollment portal management. In the enrollment portal management function, it allows administrators to open, close, and schedule enrollment periods as needed. During our audit, this capability proved efficient and flexible, which allows a quick adjustments to enrollment schedules. As you can see in our evidence, it has student and enrollment info and the enrollment summary of the student. Next is the frequently asked questions management. Lastly, the frequently asked question management module supports a full CRUD operations for managing frequently asked questions. During our audit, it allowed us a seamless creation, editing, and deletion of frequently asked entries, which ensures that the information remains accurate and up to date. As you can see in our evidence, here are the example frequently answered questions in the system. For our conclusion, the audit of the online registration management system by White-Canes revealed a balance of strengths and areas for improvement. Positive aspects include well-structured report formats, functional filtering options, intuitive dashboards, and the successful implementation of key security measures such as an account policies, bot protection, and role-based permission. This contribute to system reliability, usability, and security. However, several issues needs to be addressed, including lack of password complexity enforcement, missing backup and restore capabilities, limited report filtering, and minor usability gaps in navigation and search functions. Addressing this will enhance the overall security efficiency and user experience. The findings and recommendations in these reports aim to guide continuous improvement, ensuring the system remains robust, user-friendly, and aligned with best practices. So that's the end of our audit series for the online registration management system. Through this review, we've seen how its features work together to provide security, efficiency, and a better user experience. On behalf of Popberry, I am Rick Lauren Moreno, and thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing these improvements put into action. Thank you.